This is a US specification Tuya Zigbee smart switch for smart hotel and smart home. Simple large button design with indicator light. Very atmospheric and elegant. Unlike most smart switches on the market, this product has more characteristics. It can be connected with any intentional smart device and smart life app to achieve intelligent automation and set up various scenes for your smart life. The one-button control function on the switch makes it easier for you to control OTUY smart devices. Each switch button can meet multiple needs and realize different scenes. Imagine creating infinite space by controlling the scene switch by wire with intelligent linkage. Here's a demo of the switch in action. And if you like us, you can contact us by email, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.